Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some red snapper. So we're going to be frying these fish today. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And here we have our fish already washed with some vinegar and lime, and we have our seasoning. So we have some all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, and salt and black pepper. So let's get right down to seasoning our fish. So guys, I like to season. I like when my fish is well seasoned to the bone. So, and when I'm eating it, you can taste all the different spices. Yes, that's how I like my fish, well seasoned and well prepped. So normally I would season my fish like from overnight or stuff like that when I'm preparing it. So yes guys, we're finished seasoning our fish. So I already have my oil on the stove. I have it on medium. I put some garlic. Well done. So these are finished. So I will be taking them out and putting them in this container here. So these can be so you can have this with Bami festival, some bread. You can also have it by itself you know, because they're well fried, well done, so they're very crispy and nice, and they're seasoned to the bone. Very delicious. Not because I am preparing it, but yeah. So again, these are some red snapper. So I actually take the small ones because, you know, you have kids, so you can't give them those big fish. So yeah, and what I'm doing today is that I had a friend of mine over for dinner, and so I am preparing this for me and my friend. So this is how we do it in Pal's Island Kitchen. Don't do it if you're not gonna do it good. So guys, here I'm gonna be taking out this fish because it's done, and we're gonna be adding like 1 or 2 more. So we're flipping them over because you don't want to burn up the fish. So guys, yes, we're back. So guys, like we have you here right now in Pal's Island Kitchen. We're gonna be taking out these 2 fishes, and so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're watching and you do not subscribe, please click that bell and subscribe, because we have a lot of niceness, a lot of great things coming up. Nutritious and natural juice, we have all different kind of things coming up. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. Live good, love God, and walk good. See you next time.